friends, I am Pankaj Kumar. I am an assistant professor in Bastarda College, RPIAT. Today I talk about histopathology. What is histopathology? Histopathology is a study of tissue. Contents. Introduction step of histopathology. There are two types of preparations of sample and processing of sample. Preparation of samples में हमारा पहला है sample collection and second is B fixation. और processing of sample, first A dehydrations, clearing, infiltrating, embedding, sectioning and staining. Storage of paraffin blocks. Histopathology is an Greek word. Histo tissue pathology, disease, suffering. Histopathology is the department of clinical laboratory which deals with the study different types of tissues. Examinations of biopsy or surgicals by a pathologist. Steps in histopathology. Preparations of sample, sample collection, tissue with patient history, bone with X-ray, autopsy, concerned from body fluids, CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, skin tissue, and etc. Fixations. What is fixation? Fixation is a chemical process by which biological tissue are preserved from the decay, either through autolysis or putrefaction. Samples were collected and processed by a formalin. Formalin is a commonly used fixative in all laboratories. Commonly used in fixative in laboratory like formalin. ठीक है. Processing of sample, dehydration removal of fixation and water from tissue. डिहाइड्रेशन का मतलब होता है वाटर का हमारा लॉस ऑफ वाटर. जो हमारा फिक्सेटिव में हमारा वाटर होता है, जो डिहाइड्रेशन का मतलब होता है जो हमारा वाटर वो रिमूव हो जाता है टिश्यू के अंदर से. इट इज़ द मोस्ट इंटरेस्ट टास्क ऑफ प्लेसिंग 75% ऑफ इथेनॉल प्रोसेस और 95% ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसेस ऑफ इथेनॉल. फॉर डेडिकेट टिश्यू, Membranous tissue starts with an 80% of ethanol. Dehydration agent should not be less than 10 times volume of the tissue. Pre-embedding. Pre-embedding क्या होती है हमारी? Embedding कब पढ़ेंगे हम? One tissue samples are inflated by paraffin. They are removed from the cassettes and carefully positioned inside the metal base mold. The mold is filled the melted paraffin then immediately placed on a cooling surface. In the manners of cassette will be used to base of paraffin blocks of microtome sectioning. Sectioning, the paraffin block is mounted in the microtome holder. Sections are cut the ribbon and floated hot water bath. Maintain 45 degree of stretch. The paraffin section. The tissue sections are allowed to dry to room temperature 37 degrees Celsius. At the end of processing of the sample, instead of mold and converting a liquid paraffin with the cassette with the identification number of patients, additional paraffin placed on the mold. The mold is then laid on cold surface is ordered to favor to solidification and subsequent creations of blocks. Commonly used in infiltration medium. Paraffin is the most commonly used medium of infiltration, embedding and formation of tissue blocks. तो हमने आज टिश्यू के बारे में पढ़ा, हिस्टोपैथोलॉजी के बारे में पढ़ा, स्टडी ऑफ टिश्यू कैसे हम वो करते हैं, माइक्रोटोम से हम काटते हैं. इनमें आगे पढ़ेंगे हम कौन कौन से माइक्रोटोम होते हैं. ठीक है, टाइप्स ऑफ माइक्रोटोम पढ़ेंगे. आज के लिए इतना ही. ठीक है, ओके, बाय.